Experience comfort and convenience at Rizen Premiere Hotel. Welcome to Rizen Premiere Hotel, a charming 3-star hotel nestled in the beautiful region of Puncak, Indonesia. With its convenient location, comfortable accommodations, and excellent services, this hotel is the perfect choice for both business and leisure travelers. Renovated in 2013, Rizen Premiere Hotel offers a modern and stylish ambience that will make you feel right at home. The hotel features 115 well-appointed rooms, each designed with your comfort in mind. Whether you are traveling alone, with a partner, or with your family, you will find the perfect room to suit your needs. Check-in at Rizen Premiere Hotel starts from 2 p.m., allowing you ample time to settle in and unwind after your journey. The friendly and professional staff will be there to assist you with a seamless check-in process, ensuring that your stay begins on a positive note. On the day of your departure, check-out time is until 12 p.m., giving you plenty of time to enjoy a leisurely morning before bidding farewell to this wonderful hotel. Please note that Rizen Premiere Hotel has a child policy in place. While children are welcome to stay at the hotel, there may be extra charges involved. It is advisable to contact the hotel directly to inquire about the specific details and fees regarding children's accommodations. The hotel staff will be more than happy to assist you and provide all the necessary information. Experience the utmost comfort and convenience at Rizen Premiere Hotel. Book your stay today and indulge in a truly memorable stay in Puncak, Indonesia. Unwind and indulge in Rizen Premiere Hotel's enticing entertainment facilities nestled amidst the lush greenery of Puncak, Indonesia. Rizen Premiere Hotel offers a plethora of entertainment facilities that are sure to captivate and delight guests of all ages. Step into the enchanting garden oasis and immerse yourself in a world of relaxation and fun. The hotel's garden is a haven of tranquility, providing a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Take a leisurely stroll along the winding pathways, surrounded by vibrant flowers and towering trees, and let the soothing sounds of nature wash over you. Find a cozy spot to sit and unwind, perhaps with a good book or a refreshing beverage in hand. For those seeking a more active form of entertainment, the garden also features a well-maintained swimming pool. Dive into its crystal-clear waters and feel the stress melt away as you swim laps or simply float lazily on the surface. The poolside deck offers comfortable loungers where you can bask in the warm sun, sip on a tropical cocktail, and soak up the breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains. Whether you're looking to relax and rejuvenate or engage in a bit of recreational fun, Rizen Premiere Hotel's entertainment facilities, including the enchanting garden and inviting swimming pool, are sure to provide an unforgettable experience for every guest. So, come and indulge in the beauty and serenity of this remarkable destination. Unwind and stay active at Rizen Premiere Hotel's outdoor pool at Rizen Premiere Hotel in Puncak, Indonesia. Guests can enjoy a refreshing dip in the hotel's outdoor pool. Nestled amidst the lush greenery of Puncak's scenic landscape, the pool offers a serene and tranquil setting for relaxation and rejuvenation. Whether you want to take a leisurely swim or simply bask in the sun on one of the poolside loungers, the outdoor pool at Rizen Premiere Hotel is the perfect spot to unwind and soak up the natural beauty of the surroundings. In addition to its calming ambience, the outdoor pool at Rizen Premiere Hotel also provides a great opportunity for guests to stay active during their stay. Take a few laps in the pool to get your heart rate up or engage in some water aerobics for a fun and effective workout. The pool is also suitable for families, with a shallow end for children to splash around in and a deeper end for adults to swim in. So whether you're looking to relax or get some exercise, the outdoor pool at Rizen Premiere Hotel has something for everyone. Convenience facilities at Rizen Premiere Hotel at Rizen Premiere Hotel in Puncak, Indonesia. Guests can enjoy a range of convenience facilities that are designed to enhance their stay. The hotel offers 24-hour room service, ensuring that guests can indulge in delicious meals and snacks at any time of the day or night. Whether you are craving a late-night snack or a hearty breakfast in bed, the dedicated staff at Rizen Premiere Hotel are always ready to cater to your culinary needs.